Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aftab Asif and I am excited to introduce my latest project, BrainyBox. The purpose of this project is in its name. It acts as your second brain, a place to store and manage all your valuable content. Let's walk through its features. First of all, we need to sign up on the platform with the valid Gmail and a password of required length. After this, hit the sign up button and your account is successfully created. Now simply log in using the same email address you registered with. Once logged in, you will be redirected to your content page. To add a new entry, click on Add button. This will open a dialog. You can fill out a simple form. Here is what you will need to enter: title of your content, platform types such as YouTube, GitHub, Instagram posts, a valid link to your post. After submitting the form, your content will be successfully saved with the database. Do the same to add another Instagram post. Just give it a title such as the Instagram post and type select to the Instagram, and the third a valid link to the post, and your content is added. Same process for the GitHub. In the header, you will find a view preference option. You can switch between grid view, which has 2 or 3 columns, and list view depending on your layout preference. BrainyBox also includes a dashboard section which displays the total number of posts you have added. Another useful feature is the platform filter, allowing you to quick sort and view content based on the platform. The very best feature of this project is a share link option. By clicking on this share link share content button, a link will be generated and it lets you easily share and store content with others. And you can also stop sharing content by clicking on stop sharing button. Finally, in the card header there are two buttons. First, for copy link, by clicking on it, the original link to that post will be copied, and the next button is to delete content. By clicking on it, the content is deleted permanently from the database. And also the entire layout is fully responsive, ensuring a smooth experience across all devices from desktops to mobile. And that's a complete walkthrough of BrainyBox. Now let's start building it together. Think of each feature as a node and we will connect them step by step. If you found this project interesting, don't forget to like and share your love in the comment. Want to build something similar? Follow along and start coding your own BrainyBox today. Connect with me on LinkedIn, and that's